Well, hello everybody. I'm back on trail, ladies and gentlemen, up in the Blue Ridge, up around Thunder Hill, I guess you call it. Lookout. That's where I parked to get on. You betcha, White Blaze, the Appalachian Trail. So, and what's cool is I came across this little grove of pine trees. How cool is that? I mean, we are high enough up where you could get these. So, pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. So, I'm not sure how many miles I will have done, but I will definitely let you know by the end of the video. So, all right, I'm gonna drop down into this section, and I will check back with you. All right. Look at these rock formations, everybody. That's where we came from. That's where we're gonna go a little bit. So, well, howdy, everybody. We're at the Thunder Hill Shelter, Jefferson National Forest. As you can see, this would be a nice little basic shelter, as you can see. Here, let's zoom out. There we go. Basic shelter, as you can see. It's kind of cool. It's got a little leave no trace. Got a broom so it gets too. There it is. And they've got cool little, it's like a little notebook. Fireplace. Nice little picnic table. If you ever watch Quicksand's videos, he does a lot of these. He's through hiked, I think, the AT about 3 times. And he likes to do picnic reviews. For the water, it's like the water in the privy. Privy that way, got water that way. We're not gonna wander up the privy, but privy's a privy. You know what, let's go. For those who haven't seen a privy, it's an outhouse, that's pretty much what it is. Hopefully we're not too far off the trail. But a privy is where you go do your business, so. I guess if you're a through hiker, you would obviously carry in toilet paper and stuff like that, so. There you go. Basic little privy. What is that? See that? Look at that guy. What are you? Huh. A daddy longleg of some sort. Hello, everybody. Cruising right along. Look at all these purple flowers, and the bees are pollinating, keeping everything happy. Circle of life, as they call it. Here we are, getting ready to road cross. Very cool little AT. And ladies and gentlemen, for those that have never been out here, this is the Blue Ridge Parkway. It goes all the way from Shenandoah National Park entrance to Asheville, North Carolina. It's close to over 400, almost 500 miles total. So you could cruise from the Shenandoahs down through Virginia, ride it, and you can see all kinds of historical facts and stuff along the way. I haven't done the whole thing, but I've done parts. So I just wanted to give you an idea on the road. So, all right, boys and girls, I'm gonna get to hiking. I will see you a little bit later. All right. We are entering the National Wilderness. Motorized vehicles, gliders, bicycles, nothing. Zip, just people, I guess two-legged, four-legged friends. I kind of dip down into the trees now. I'm just hiking back, like I said, Thunder Hill, I think, is where I started. I'll correct that, of course, but I actually ran into some people coming up this way. There's a couple and another dude. They were just out hiking, enjoying themselves. I'm like, it's a beautiful Tuesday in August. Might as well. So the sun's mostly out. It's a little warm, but you got the breeze, kind of cooled it off a little bit. It's still not ideal hiking weather, but take what you can get. All right, I'll check back with you. Well, hello, everybody. Found the rocky section. I thought, hey, let's put that on there, shall we? So we're still cruising. Whoa, don't be falling. See, rocks, rocks. Everywhere, rocks. And then you can sort of see a view. Like down there, doesn't really justify it. I bet in the wintertime you can see forever, so. There's a valley down there. But this is part of the reason I wanted to film the rocky section, because look at this slab of rock. Cool, and they got little steps they built. But look at this little rock section. It's kind of cool, huh? Looking back, because the trail goes that way and then turns. But yeah, look at that. How cool is that, man? Really, really cool. AT does it again. All right, there's your rocks. I'm gonna keep cruising. I'll have a nice view at the end of the hike too. I think you're gonna like it. We are doing our downhill northbound now. The Appalachian Trail through the Blue Ridge up toward Thunder Hill Lookout. So that will be our reward when we get done with the hike. Oh, look at the pretty butterfly. Oh, dummy. He's gone. I stressed him out. He's moving. I might be able to zoom in on there. You see him? There he is. Hi, pretty. You're pretty. Orange and white, all blacks. All right. I'll let you be. Oh, looks like we're gonna be my partner coming down the trail, or way ahead of the trail. So screw you, I ain't your partner. I'll fly away from you as fast as I possibly can. And that's what he did. Or she, one of the two. That's cool. I did get some good butterfly pictures today too, so they must have been friendly. How they were showing off. Maybe they were, look at me. They must have been millennial ones, because they would want the attention, right? Just kidding. So, he's up there again. Alrighty. I'm gonna keep cruising down northbound, and I will check back with you toward the end of the hike. Look at that. Crazy. So the AT northbound will continue over there. That way. And I went southbound today, so we went a few miles that way. All these cool